Okay, hi. What's your name and where have you come from?
Hi, my name is Rajiv Budguzar. I'm from Pune.
Okay, and what do you do, Rajiv?
I'm a software engineer.
Okay, so why pearl farming?
It's like I always yeah, like evaluating different ideas within my field and outside my field as well. And one such discussion on coffee table led us to pearl farming, and we wanted to evaluate the idea, and that's how we participated in this training.
Okay. So before coming to Maharashtra Pearl Farming Practice Center, did you find any other institute or did you have your training there?
No.
Okay, so this is your first training session regarding pearl farming.
Yes.
Okay. And how did you land up in coming to Maharashtra pearl farming?
This is through a friend. He got to know about this institute, and through him, I came here.
Okay. So, what is your experience regarding training at Maharashtra Pearl Farming and Practice Center?
It's really good. It's a good mix of the theory as well as the practical thing, and it's hands-on things always work. It's better, helps you understand things better. That's really a very positive side of the training.
Okay. So, you are satisfied with what knowledge you have got till now, or maybe you will get by tomorrow? Are you feeling a bit excited to learn certain new things?
Exactly, I'm really very excited, and it's a very good concept. Probably in India it's very new, and it was really fun understanding and learning about this new kind of farming.
Okay, okay. So after this training session, would you refer Maharashtra Pearl Farming and Practice Center?
Definitely, I would like to refer it.
Okay. And what are your future plans regarding pearl farming?
After this, I'll probably start a pilot project, and for some months, we'll monitor how it goes. Then probably I'll take that as a serious thing.
Okay. Thank you all. All the best to you, Rajiv. Thank you so much.
Thank you.